Yeah. Make sure those are right. Looks good. Yeah. Yeah. Everything. Yeah. Okay. Know what we're doing? Okay. So the boots that go to the coil are the same. Okay. This one's angled. This one's not. Okay. This one's not. This one's a little longer and it's angled. So it's interesting because this is straight. Okay, so that's so. Okay, no, that makes sense. What am I thinking? This side. Okay. I'm just gonna do it exactly how they have it. Right. Oh, I see. Yeah, built-in thing here. Okay. Well, it's got a blocker in there. Let's see how that works. I like to hear it click. Oh, okay, it just goes right through there. Gotcha. Okay, gotcha. Oh. Definitely don't like that. You don't really hear a click. There it goes. Okay. I want to hear the click. Oh, they've got a built-in thing. I see now. I screwed up already. Okay, hold on. I'm screwing up. Oh, I'm so glad I screwed up right away. Oh man. Hold on. There, now I got the recorder on. All right. Now, let's see if we can screw it up now. Okay. Please come with a fancy thing on there. Okay, let's not screw it up again. Okay. Let's go through here. I don't know if that's gonna fit in there. See? And then it goes through here. We got another clip here. I'm gonna need a screwdriver to get that out. Yeah, well, definitely don't tighten these until you get everything in place. Moving stuff. Little top hole here. On the bottom one by mistake. This is not the easiest thing to do here. Okay. So I think I'm gonna pull some slack back. No, this one's too tight. Can't pull slack. Jesus. Okay. And this guy. Yeah, he's a little bit longer. Definitely longer. Alright, I gotta put some electrical grease on here. Okay. Oh, that was not nice. It's probably why you put that stuff on there. Hope you can hear me with that fan behind me. So I put lithium grease on. I put some on every connection here. So zip tie here, zip tie there. It's the only one to this one. This zip tie is here and it tucks in. Alright, those seem like they're in place. I'm gonna take the other side out. We'll do a compression test and then we'll put all this stuff back on. I just want to say, like, why, like, I was gonna get orange, but they had red, so I went with red. I want to show you because you don't really see nothing wrong. When it's black, it's hard to see problems. But then look at, I got down to here, and look at that. Yeah. It's interesting that they got these boots for everything, or these zip ties. That's why I want to get the Harley ones, because they're everything's right. Drop the stuff here. This holds this wire. Good. Let's did I do that right? Probably not. We'll just snug it up a little bit just to keep it from moving. We got this guy. that, maybe. See? Let me see what's under. Okay, we need. Okay, that mess. Yeah, so, okay. So, put it over. Okay. Release. Oh, oh. Okay. Is it in here? I got the wires ran. I went to go do a compression test and yeah, I got the old school. So I'm gonna have to run and get one because these are the smaller plugs. So yeah, let's go get a compression tester and I'll be right back. Oh boy, come on man. I don't know if you can tell, but I ran a zip tie around the top and around all 4 spark plugs, keep them from touching the back of the motor. They were kind of laying on the back of the motor, so I want to keep those, you know, away from this heat as much as possible. Come on, man.